Alright guys, this video is on the one wire conversion on your standard Ford Motorcraft alternator here. So this is the instructions, which is pretty simple. It just tells you where to hook everything up to on here, and then you bolt this to the back, and then you just have the one wire that comes off of it, and this is essentially your voltage regulator instead of having the big box. So this just gets rid of all that other wiring in the box that's in the car. Okay, there's our wires. So yellow goes there, red goes here, green one goes there, and then our black wire will come around here. And I've got another ground that comes off of my car that also connects there. I'm gonna reconnect it and then put that nut on there. Right on the car, you've got the original 3 wires. We're going to remove this plug down here, right down there. That plug comes off. So all this wire, you can leave the plug because that factory wiring just goes over to your voltage regulator, which won't be doing anything. And then you're gonna run a new wire from the red on the back of the alternator over to your battery. All right, alternator's reinstalled, and I've got my negative going to the engine and the negative from the module hooked up. Now the red, I'm gonna take that nut back off and bring a wire over to the battery somewhere here. Okay, red wire is hooked up to the positive now, right here in that. And then the orange wire there is your warning light that pops up on the dash. So some of them have them, some of them don't. That maybe be wired in with a separate wire that goes into your factory wiring. So you may have to look that up. But that's pretty much it. We'll try it out here when we get her done. Guys, so Daddy is hooking up our alternator. Everything's running. You see that my car idling here, it's showing a little bit. And if I rev it up, it instantly goes up to about 14 and a half. That's perfect for that alternator. Back out of it, and it drops down a little bit. So the alternator's putting out perfect. The voltage regulator's working perfect, and that's it. We're done.